Okay, me and the girls.
You can actually see the grinding stone. Excuse me, the grinding stone, which you cannot see from out here. So if you want to do that afterwards, you can do that. So I'll play this and I'll point you.
We already did our windmill tour. This is our windmill tour. We've got other stuff to look
Welcome to the grinding floor of the Vermeer Mill. Above us are two more floors, the grain bin floor and the cap of the mill, which contain the brake and gear mechanisms used to transfer the wind power to the millstones. These floors are not accessible to visitors. However, you can see what's happening on these floors by watching the TV monitor. Note the rotating spur gear overhead. This handmade wooden gear is 12 feet in diameter and has 96 cogs made from acid wood, a distant relative of oak. These cogs mesh with the Purple Heart wallower gear to drive the grindstones. The quant is the vertical shaft which connects to the runner stone. On the floor above us is the wind-powered sack hoist used to lift sacks of grain from the street level through the trap doors on each floor of the base. The grain sacks are emptied into the grain bin and the raw grain flows by gravity into the grain hopper and then into the shaker chute. The shaker mechanism vibrates the grain into the eye or center of the top stone for grinding. The shaker controls are red, white, and blue weights to regulate the flow of grain into the stones. The stones are enclosed in the round wooden case and cannot be seen while grinding. These two stones each weigh 3,500 pounds. They are 5 feet in diameter and 12 inches thick. The bottom stone is fixed and is called the bed stone. The top stone is the runner stone, which turns by wind power and makes almost 7 revolutions for each turn of the outside sail stocks. The stones are made from a concrete-like material with a pinwheel pattern of grooves. Note the stone crane where the mirror is attached. It is used to lift the stones from the case for repair or sharpening. The lift beam is used to set the distance between the stones and controls the texture of the flour. Pushing down separates the stones, lifting up closes the gap between the stones. It is highly leveraged and can easily lift the 4,000 pounds of stone and shaft. The ground flour inside the stone case is pushed to the collection tray by a paddle attached to the runner stone and flows by gravity into the sack attached to the trough. On a good windy day with a 15 to 20 mile per hour wind, it takes the millers between 5 and 10 minutes to fill a 100-pound sack. So in about an hour's time, we can make around 1,000 pounds of flour. Our flour is ground for 2 uses. The Yarsma Bakery uses our flour to bake their whole wheat windmill bread and buns. We also sell 2-pound bags of freshly ground flour in our gift shop. If you enjoy cooking and baking, we hope you will pick up a bag and give it a try.